can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently trades above $102,000. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $109,000 in this market cycle. Is the market cycle coming to an end? How far can Bitcoin still pump to the moon? Can we get to $120,000? We'll take a look at news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. We'll look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. With Bitcoin still above $102,000, is it time to sell for some sweet profit? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin, the king of the market, with a market cap of over $2.03 trillion, currently sits above $102,000. Bitcoin all-time high happened on the 20th of January 2025. Bitcoin traded for $109,000. Right now, Bitcoin is still in the moon, but guys, sentiment in the market is slowly shifting. We are slowly seeing a bearish divergence on the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price has gone to set new all-time highs, while the RSI has not gotten to where we were trading back on the 2nd of December 2024. We saw Bitcoin rallying to as high as $106,000. That was in early December. Then we saw a little pullback in the market. Bitcoin going back to $109,000, while Bitcoin RSI couldn't go to set new all-time highs. It's been a long ride for Bitcoin. Bitcoin was trading for as low as $15,500. That was in November 2022. Since then, Bitcoin has steadily risen up to as high as $109,000 in the process, rallying up by more than 593%. Good times are in the cryptocurrency market. We saw some extreme greed in the market this week, with Bitcoin still trading above $102,000. There's still some level of greed in the market, but market participants have gotten used to Bitcoin just going up in a straight line. So right now, with Bitcoin going sideways, guys, it's giving a lot of complacency vibes in the market. Market participants are arguing, is the cycle over? Is the cycle not over? Every dump, it is over. Every bounce, we are back. But the last 7 days has seen Bitcoin hover around that $100,000. But Bitcoin is not going to do that forever. At some point in time, a huge decision will be made. Will Bitcoin continue pumping to the moon, or will it be dumping to Goblin Town? And for my take, I think we're getting ready for a big dump to Goblin Town. If you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin dominance in the market sits around 58%, but there are some early signs that we might see Bitcoin dominance get to as low as 53% in the coming days and the coming weeks. Bitcoin dominance dumping is good for all coins in the cryptocurrency market, but that usually signals the end of the crypto bull run. Bitcoin dominance increasing means Bitcoin was doing well, the market was doing well, market participants was piling into Bitcoin. Bitcoin usually goes up first in the bull market cycle, then the gains from Bitcoin dissipates into the altcoin market, and right now we're about to see the full flow of those profit taken in Bitcoin. We're about to see the altcoin market taking off very quickly. With Bitcoin dominance dumping, that might lead to huge trouble in Goblin Town. But news stories in the cryptocurrency market is still positive for Bitcoin. We're hearing Bitcoin rises towards its all-time highs as future market shows interest from bulls. Bitcoin price moves closer to a all-time high, and the absence of euphoria in the derivative market is a positive sign. It can be a positive sign, guys. It can also be a negative sign that Bitcoin is undergoing an uptrust after distribution. Now, Bitcoin trading above $102,000 has become the norm. We saw market participants getting euphoric when it first got to $107,000, but right now, Bitcoin has been going sideways, and we're not seeing any euphoria in the market, even though Bitcoin is getting to $105,000, $106,000. Even when we go to $109,000, there was no any euphoria in the market. I mean, smart players have taken up their profit, and dumb players are in the game right now. Weak hands are buying. And guys, you have to ask yourself this $1 million question. If I'm buying Bitcoin around $102,000, if I'm looking for a 100x return, Bitcoin has to go above $200,000 for me to get that. Some smart market participants are going to be buying altcoins instead, but Michael Saylor is not stopping anytime soon. MicroStrategy announced pricing of Strike preferred stock offering. According to Michael Saylor tracker, MicroStrategy is up over 65% all time on its Bitcoin investment and is trading at a net asset value of 1.73. At some point in time, guys, this is going to blow up in Michael Saylor's face. Only time will tell how long that will last, but right now he's leveraging to the gills on Bitcoin. He's buying more and more Bitcoin, but remember, If you buy in, the only way to get out is by selling out. So if you're not going to sell out, how will it cash out? You have to actually ask that $1,000,000 question. The narrative that has been pumping in this cycle has been strategic Bitcoin reserve, not for only countries, but we're hearing everybody saying they have to get Bitcoin. Guys, the origins of Bitcoin was the money against the government, was the money that to control government printing, and now we're talking about nations, companies, and blockchain protocols buying Bitcoin. This is signs that we're at Bitcoin top, Bitcoin trading above $102,000. We're seeing Bitcoin dominance about the top. We're seeing the news stories in the cryptocurrency market all positive about Bitcoin. These are signs that Bitcoin is at a market cycle top. I will not be shocked if in 2 months' time we see Bitcoin dumping to gobbling town. I will not be shocked if Bitcoin starts its journey towards $90,000, then towards $50,000, and down we go to gobbling town. Right now, Bitcoin trades above $102,000, but Bitcoin's 100-week moving average currently sits around $52,000. History has shown us over time, no matter how far we move away from this moving average, Bitcoin eventually comes back to the 100-week moving average. Right now, the 100-week moving average sits around $52,000. So in some time in the nearest future, we are going to see Bitcoin trading around $52,000 or less. Bitcoin retail sellers sent $625 million to Binance before first cycle top. Bitcoin wheels holds up on major selling, but retail investors appear unwilling to wait for the real bull market gains to begin. So if retail investors are actually selling, you expect them to be buying altcoins, guys. We're in the point of the market cycle where Bitcoin doesn't look that attractive again at $102,000. Ethereum maybe looks kind of attractive, can get to $7,000. You can get 100% in Ethereum, but the altcoin market is where the real party will happen. If you see the total crypto market cap getting to new all-time highs without Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs, that might spell some trouble for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 9.37% in Q1. Even though Ethereum is still down 1.58%, you expect that to correct in the coming days and coming weeks. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you still buying more Bitcoin right now? How high do you think Bitcoin is going in the coming days and coming weeks? Bitcoin trades over $102,000. Do you think this is a cycle top, or do you believe new all-time highs is possible? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.